Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change a cracked concrete roof tile. You can see this one's busted off right here where someone maybe stepped. It's better when you're walking up here to step on the outside edge of these tiles where you've got another tile underneath to support that rather than this void. And a lot of times if you step close to this edge, that will break, and that looks like what's happened here. So this one obviously is fairly easy. We'll just pull the old tile out. So there's two nail holes in each of these tiles. A lot of times they'll only put one in one side of the tile. So we're just going to pry this up a little bit. And what we're trying to do is just get this up out of the way so we can get the rest of these pieces out. There we go. So this one was nailed, but I just kind of used my hand with this other pry bar just to pop that up and out so we can get that piece out. I imagine we've got the same thing going on right here. There's that little piece. Really kind of the trick is just to get this piece right here pried up enough so that we can pull this one out. There's the nail. There you go. We'll get that one out of the way. And these, a lot of times because of the channel, you can just slide them straight back. This roof was not leaking, but by doing this now, we're preventing a future leak. Now I've got some of this roof patch. This is just wet R Dri. The idea behind this is that when I put the new tiles in, it'll just kind of hold them in place and prevent them from sliding out. Now there might be a better material to use. This just, since it's a roof patch material, I thought it would be okay. And really all I need to do is just put down a little bead above. Okay. If I prop it up like that, you can kind of see what I'm doing. This may not stick all that well because there's so much dust and debris up here. Be careful not to get this stuff on yet, it's real sticky. Okay, and then we can grab our replacement tiles. Now I picked these up at a Tile Boneyard. Basically, it's just a tile yard that hangs on to old material. These were $3 each. I bought them just at a local. Just look for a roof tile boneyard if you're looking online. That's what I was able to find. Slide that up. Till it's in place right there. And then get the next piece. And we're going to try to do the same thing. Just line that up right there. Pull out those pry bars. And you're done. It's as simple as that. You should be good to go. Now these of course are a slightly different color. Those will fade out in the sun. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to my website where you can find some of the parts and tools that I frequently use. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.